Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Royal Knowledge and Royal Secret. Chapter 9, Shloka 34. Fix your mind on me. Be devoted to me. Sacrifice to me. Bow down to me. Having thus united your whole self with me, taking me as the supreme goal, you shall come to me.
Chapter 9, Shloka 34. Manmana bhava madbhakto madhyaji mam namaskuru mame vaishyasi yuktvaivam atmanam matparayanah.
34. Chapter 9, Shloka 34. How am I to worship you, my Lord, when I am to face my enemies and fight my battle? This shloka is a summary of the chapter. Pursuit of Brahma is to live ever mentally drowned in the bliss concept of the spiritual reality by contemplation on that, talks on that, mutual discussion on that. This is the technique of self-development and self-perfection through the paths of right knowledge and meditation. Whatever be the type of work an individual is engaged in, Lord says that with the mind ever filled with me, my devotee makes all sacrifices to me. All scriptural practices are for the evolution of the mind. Constant awareness, maintained diligently, is the secret of success. We must divinize the mind to become noble and divine. Learn more in the next chapter, Yoga of Divine Glories, in the next video. Om Tat Sat. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjot Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.